We're teaching Ben how to climb the stairs.
Oh my god, he's even stepping up.
Yeah, I saw that. It's amazing. We have a little panda climbing upstairs. No? Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Dada, you got the blackberry.
It's the first time he's ever done that.
Yay.
That's the first time you've ever climbed.
And wearing the panda costume.
It's a day of firsts. First time dressed like an endangered species and he climbed the stairs.
Yeah. Wait, it's like 2 lines.